To check your transaction history on Stream 2026, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Login. Access the Stream 2026 platform by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to gain entry to your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Transaction History. Within the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Transaction History or similar. Click on this option to view your past transactions. Step 4. Filter transactions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SOC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Review and export. After filtering, review the displayed transactions. If needed, look for an option to export or download your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Stream 2026. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.